Hello. Hello, hello, hello. So it's 12 noon here in Sydney, and I feel like I belong here. Just kidding. Hello everyone, 21 views. What time is it in the Philippines?
It's still early in the morning.
Like what time?
The early. Mag-backward ka ng 3 hours.
Or it's like 10 a.m.
No.
9?
Yeah.
Oh, it's 9 a.m. there.
I think there's still,
Here in Sydney kasi, like, it's so, oh, look, it's so pasabog here. I feel like I'm Hannah Montana. Making my way downtown, walking fast, things is fast and I'm homebound. I'm trying to find Nemo, because
she's in the opera house.
Nemo the fish is in the opera house with the dentist.
Saan ka kadugay sa Amerika ato?
2 weeks ba yet?
Labongo.
2 weeks lang?
1 week sa LA di ba? Focus mo niya.
I like your accent. Thank you, girl. I made it up.
Pero struggle.
Kink is America.
Ha?
Marina Summers! I love you, sister. Huwag ka nang bumalik.
Si Marina Summer ba yan?
Ew.
Marina Summer, ew. Barf.
We're grabe dagan kay Kafam. Anyway, guys. The fam here is like, they're just like in Gaisano Mall. Like,
Unlimited ba yun? Wala ka na sa Boracay.
yeah, actually the mall here is giving Divisoria vibes. Charot lang. The road in Sydney is
Si Eta lang ka medyo Shuldeta Earth.
si ate girl medyo wala ka relax.
Malilap.
Okay, we're here now. So, time for action.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Let's
so
go.
don't touch any edge. Time for action. Ready?
Ready?
Everybody jump out the side as well, please. No, this side.
This side?
Oh, no, just wait there,
I'll
okay?
jump that there.
Oh, no, just wait 1 second. This is not really a stopping zone, but we're going to have to act quick. So wait till this van goes,
Yeah.
and then we all go.
Go.
Ako ni siya Joya.
Ulaya lang. Ay, basta lang.
Ipanlabay. Kay imo man.
Yeah, go! So, sorry, that one fell out. Can I get this grab?
Ang galing.
These fell out.
Wait. Ang galing ni ate. Sige.
1, 2, 3.
Huwag na maging drag excellence dito sa Sydney. Oo.
Ready.
Go ate. Tapo mo. Sa'yo naman to eh. Go. Carry lang.
Just one pound.
Leche. Say hi! Oh my god! It's Sydney!
Ala, high blood si Mama.
Sydney with a K!
Wala yung cake ang Sydney, ma'am. Bukik anso si ate eh. Try lang. Ito yung tuyok mi sa asyo ni Mal.
Karon ang totaling is of your heart.
Kudagan kay mura ko nasa Boracay, mama, or Siargao. Guys, we just arrived in our hotel.
Baget itumba ang mga gamit.
Guys, our stuff.
Guys, tinumba ng Uber ang mga gamit namin.
Na para bang mga set hair.
Medyo malvita siya.
Yawa, asa tong buhok. Go, ilabay lang.
What's that, mate? Yeah, you go right, sir. Okay. Sorry? Kevin
Go.
Lapan gyapon ang
What's ibig sabihin sa Aussie?
Aussie?
Ah, Aussie.
Australia, shortcut ba?
Australian. Susurahan. Char lang. Swiss Sydney. Oh. Grabe talaga ang isang Gigi Era. Bongga, oy. Oh, Laishu. Ano sa atin? Uy, sa...
Social ka i-book sa mga guys.
This is wow. This is amazing.
dili na ng bag diri.
Ambot lang murag.
Wala, kasi check sa pa immigration.
No, no.
Wala raman kailar sila.
Dili siya kami yung best sa Emigas Pilipinas best. Kailan sa ay sa mga.
Ay,